There is one risk factor that everyone with HPV has in common to some degree. What is it? Nutrition. Specifically, there are 7 nutrients that are found to be missing or deficient in most people with persistent HPV in the literature. And there are 3 natural immune modulators, all shown in research to support the body's ability to proactively respond to HPV. They are as follows. Lycopene, found in cooked tomatoes, red cabbage, and grapefruit. Carotenoids, found in foods like cantaloupe, carrots, kale, collard greens, and squash. Vitamin C, found in broccoli, cantaloupe, oranges, and bell peppers. Zinc, found in legumes, nuts and seeds, and sweet potatoes. Vitamin E, found in almonds, salmon, and sunflower seeds. Folate, found in green leafy vegetables like spinach, asparagus, beets, and broccoli. Selenium, found in Brazil nuts, oysters, tuna, and sunflower seeds. Polyphenols and flavonoids from green tea extract. Polysaccharides from reishi mushrooms, and astragalus root. What probably strikes you in seeing this list is that many are found in everyday staple foods that a person could easily incorporate in their diet. But that's not the whole story, because in order to be effective, the body needs these nutrients at high potency doses. The first is that the race for profit in agricultural practices has changed the quality of our soil, and many natural ingredients are no longer as nutritious as they used to be. Through pesticides, lack of crop rotation, and over-farming, it's been proven, comparing crops from 1950 versus 1999, that nutrients and minerals have declined. And in the last 20 years, things have not gotten better. The second reason is that it can be impractical and expensive to consume the volume of food needed to fully unlock their nutritional power. That is why Dr. Elizabeth created a formula that would capture adequate high-potency dosages of the powerhouse nutrients that people with persistent HPV are most deficient in, and that have been shown through multiple research studies to support the immune system in the presence of HPV. That product is called Papilex. And more than a decade later, this groundbreaking formula has hundreds of 5-star reviews, has sold thousands of bottles, and is recommended by trusted doctors and experts globally. By replacing the nutrients found to be missing and low in people with HPV, Papilex is the only nutraceutical of its kind. The Papilex difference comes down to 3 main benefits. 1. Papilex is a nutrient-rich formula that contains whole food ingredients in high potency doses. Each ingredient is carefully sourced for exceptional quality and potency. 2. Papilex holds itself to an exceptional quality standard. Every capsule is non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, vegan, filler-free, and rigorously tested by a third party to ensure potency and 0 contaminants. Papilex is made in America in a state-of-the-art CGMP certified lab. Papilex is the only supplement containing all of the evidence-based ingredients shown to support your immune system. Click on the link below to take action with Papilex. Most customers say they start to feel a difference within 90 days. The science behind nutrition depletion and immune system stimulation support this time frame. For this reason, naturopathic doctors recommend supplementing for 4 to 6 months at minimum. For convenience, each bottle contains 60 capsules, which is approximately a month's worth of product at a dosage of 2 pills daily. Papilex is available by bottle for $49.95. Papilex is an established brand with a founder at the helm of research who is a health educator to many of North America's leading CEOs and entrepreneurs. Papilex and other products Dr. Elizabeth has formulated are top-rated brands on third-party sites. We do not discount our products regularly because we have a brand built on trust and the ingredients that we use are premium. But we do very much appreciate your interest in watching this presentation. As a welcome into the Papilex community, we are extending our annual Black Friday sale to you. This gives you early access to our annual sale that loyal customers look forward to for stocking up each year. Every purchase includes free shipping to the US and Canada, as well as easy 30-day returns. Why watch and wait when you can be proactive?